Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's how to use Safelists video, I'm going to email out to 530,000 prospects, and this takes just a few minutes. And I'm also going to show you how to use these Safelist mailers and email marketing to take the tier one leads and buyers from safe lists onto your own lists with a lead capture page. So I'll talk through each individual site as I go through it and just give you some more tips and information as we go along. The first site's called Hercules. Hercules is free to join, and I'm going to resubmit a previous ad. So I've pre-populated all of these just for speed of time today. I'm going to go submit ad. Hercules is where I started my Safelists mailing, and I started emailing out to 1,000 a day. And now you can see it's got 304,000 members that I've just emailed out to. And I've done other videos on Hercules. If you go onto my channel, look on playlists, you'll see that I've done reviews on each and every one, apart from one of these Safelists mailers and traffic sites. So Hercules is free to join. There's going to be links in the description where you can join all of these for free. Hercules is a great site. You can advertise 7 different ways, and you can also earn affiliate commissions even as a free member, and you can for most of these. The next site I'm in here is called My Lead Gen Secret. So you'll see I'm live in my account there. I'm in the mailing system, and I'm going to click on select all. And My Lead Gen Secret is where you get 100 to 200 leads every single day. It's got a built-in autoresponder, and if you get one referral, you go from 100 leads to 200 leads a day. And what you'll see here that today I'm going to email out to 137,200 members. And these leads are 100% tier one leads. So they're from UK, USA, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. And they do include buyers. I've done other videos on that. And tier one leads are the best leads you can get online. So I'm just going to load the email that I sent yesterday. I'm going to press load. All of these are beginner friendly. If you can send an email, you can use these sites. I'm going to click on perfect timing. The leads in My Lead Gen Secret are your own leads. I'm going to send email. I email out once a day, but you can download them and make them your own. And with the My Lead Gen Secret program, we've got a great affiliate program to get your leads for free. We've got a Facebook group with over 5,000 members that'll teach you how to do that. So the next one we're going to go into is European Safe List. With European Safe List, I can email out today to 17,753 members. So that's what we'll do here today. And 17,753. European Safe List has been online for over 10 years. Let's click send there. So what I'm doing is I'm using a lead capture page to generate leads. This is a great way if you're a beginner to use a pre-built audience that's already made to promote to with Safelists. You can join each and every one of these sites apart from one for free. This one now is a new one I'm just upgrading called Land Marketing Mailer, and I'm going to email out to 6,410. There, I'm going to press send. And the strategy that I use is I recommend that you reinvest a percentage of your profits. So I'm just going to confirm my site. You'll see I'm using the lead capture page here. So what I recommend you do is that you spend a percentage of your profits reinvesting into Safelists mailers and building and promoting to a larger audience every single month. So this is Proactive Mailer. What I like about Proactive Mailer is that every 30 days, the owner, Phil, he cleans out the lists, and anyone that hasn't been in the site for 30 days, then your offer doesn't get promoted to them. So it only gets, it's called Proactive Mailer because your mailer, your email only goes out to active members. So that's what I like about Proactive Mailer. So I'm going to click send on that and just validate my lead capture page here, confirm my site. The next one we're going to go into is Global Safe List. I can send out to 10,000, excuse me, 10,000 members here. So I'm going to do that today. I'm not going to save the message. You can see there, you can save your message. A lot of these you can save up to 20 messages. So it saves you a lot of time. I'm going to press send on there. I go to 10,000. The next one's called Mr. Safelist, and this gentleman here, the owner Jerry, he's a Safelist specialist. He's been marketing over 10 years with Safelists. I'm going to give you a free ebook by Jerry at the end of this video that'll teach you how to use Safelists properly. So I've learned a lot from Jerry. I'm going to press send on there. The next one is by Marianne Myers. She's been marketing online, Pangea, for over 20 years. So she gets great leads and great traffic. This one here, you'll see, I'm going to send out to 23,000. This one was a one-off. This is not a monthly payment to upgrade. It's a one-off, and you can choose 5 different groups here to mail out to. So I'll stay with group 3 today and send email ad in Pangea. So Marian Myers is another traffic expert. State-of-the-art mail has been online for over 10 years. This site's got over 40,000 members. So I'm going to send email now there. I have to validate this one. That's complete. Don't have to validate that one. And the next group of sites are by Darren Olander. And he's been marketing online for 15 years. He's another traffic expert. If you follow my channel for some time, you'll see that Darren owns Prosperity Marketing System. So I've learned a lot from Darren about marketing. I'm going to go into send mail here. So the key is to use a lead capture page. The key is to promote, if you can, every day. I started surfing for credits, and then when I got some commissions, I upgraded. This one is another Darren Olander site called List Surfing. All the links will be on the description if you want to join these. So you can join them all apart from one for free. Have a look round in the back office and see what you get. And that one again is Click Engine I'm promoting there. And this is AdCheaver, another one by Darren Olander. And the key is to start to build a larger audience, because if you've got any, let's just send an email there. If you've got any offers that are converting into commissions and sales, then once you start to promote that offer to a larger audience, then you earn more money online. That's where one of the keys to success. And all of these give you a pre-built audience, and they all include tier 1 traffic and buyers. So this ebook, there'll be a link in the description for this ebook by Jerry Ian Uchi. And Jerry, he's a Safelists expert. So he teaches you inside this. It's a free ebook, teaches you everything you need to know about Safelists marketing. So, and this training here will teach you how to. It's a 7-figure earner training. There's no opt-in for this. I'll put a link in the description that says free 7-figure earner training, and it's by one of my mentors, Jeff Amon. And Jeff is promoting traffic on this training here, and he'll teach you how to become successful promoting traffic offers with affiliate marketing. He quit his job using this blueprint system 6 years ago, and I've been working with Jeff now for just over a year, and he's one of my mentors, and I trust everything he does, and I've been following him and learning from him and applying his strategies, and I can advocate that they work because they've worked for him, and they're now working for me. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. Excuse me. Big blue thumbs up like. So I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you want to see more videos from me, then please click the subscribe button and the bell icon. Then you'll get notified of all my new videos. I'm doing new videos, a new one every single day at the moment. My long-term plan is to do new content every single week for you, several new videos every week. I've now got over 800 videos on the channel. And if you've got any questions at all about any of these safe lists or email marketing, or how to build a list, which is what I'm doing using these safe lists, how to build a larger audience, a growing larger audience every month, then please leave those questions in the description. And leave those questions in the comments, and I'll answer all your questions for you. I'm going to put my email address in the description if you want to contact me through email. So each of these traffic sources, traffic sites that I've shown you today, there'll be a link in the description where you can join every one for free apart from one. So have a look at those, set up a free account, go in the back office, have a good look around. Maybe you want to just start with one or two to get going, just like I did, and then build up over the months and really start to build up your audience, pre-built audience for you with these traffic sites. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.